Did you know that shopping local starts the snowball effect by creating jobs, keeping money in your community,
investing in entrepreneurship,
and nurturing a sense of community? So,
join us
on November 28th.
Him celebrating.
Small business.
Saturday! Yay!
When you
shop small.
You help
a little girl.
Take dance lessons.
A little boy.
Play baseball. A mom.
Try a new fitness class or personal training.
A family achieve
their dream of owning.
An ice cream shop. A flower shop. A salon.
So come on out
and help keep
your community alive.
Come to the Welcome Center at the VFW from 9 a.m. to noon to pick up bags and coupons. Coupons will be good for the following week to allow for social distancing. Area businesses will be filled with sales and specials, so be sure to stop in and check out our local treasures. Please keep our community safe by practicing social distancing, using hand sanitizer, and wearing proper face coverings. See you Saturday!
Action! All right. Nobody else had cue cards?
Maybe you screw up, they can start over. Saturday! Yay!
Is it too robotic?
I'll throw it back.
Yeah. Take 39.
Oh. Throw it, bang, bop you in the head with it.
Yeah.
Are you done?